Modern meat production is responsible for recent outbreaks of mad cow disease, SARS, bird flu, and other diseases. And animal products are also often contaminated with a bacterial stew of Campylobacter, Salmonella, and E. coli. The consumption of animal flesh, all of which is riddled with fat and cholesterol, is also a prime contributor to today's epidemics of obesity, heart disease, and cancer. Studies show that vegetarians are less prone to all of these diseases. And if you care about the environment, please know that according to United Nations scientists, eating meat generates about 40% more greenhouse gases, the gases that cause climate change, than all the world's transportation systems combined. The UN report also states that eating meat is one of the top contributors to land degradation, water shortages, and air and water pollution. If we care about the environment, cutting meat out of our diet is the most important action we can take. It is only prejudice that allows anyone to think there's a difference between abusing a cat and abusing a chicken, or abusing a dog and abusing a pig. Suffering is suffering, no matter how you slice it. Eating meat is bad for our health, it's bad for the environment, and it directly supports appalling cruelty to animals. The decision is yours. Please make the compassionate choice. And please share this with a friend. Thank you.